Connect this vacuum hose in the back. I got a video like that.
They think it's sweet, I had to pave me away. Blame it on my city, that's what made me this way. I gotta jump out the porch and touch the pavement today. But I bet I make a killing before they take me away. Yeah. Before it's all said and done, they gon' know that we the ones. Before it's all said and done, they gon' know that we the ones.
Yes, intake manifold. And look at that. Now it's much heavier. Duh. This is the hose I repaired, so it's kind of nerve-wracking messing with it. I don't even want to touch it. Gorilla Glue did it doing its thing so far. Shout out Gorilla Glue. Repaired my vacuum hose, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. I don't even want to move it. Oh, this thing is digging in my hand. I'm gonna get this to. There we go. Alright. Man, that was probably the most nerve-wracking part of doing the intake manifold right now. I'm just gonna torque these bolts in real quick and call it a night. Are you excited, huh? Because I'm excited. Gas is in, coolant is in. So this will just be a quick start and see how she sounds. If things get a little hairy, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to follow up. First thing is always check for leaks. Make sure fuel lines aren't leaking. Okay. All right.
What's that?
Just all the oil from being burnt out. Yeah, so that was a distributor that was costing enough to start. She running good. Thank y'all for all y'all support. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can see, I'm low on gas. Yeah, no meal. Car can go into gear, no issues. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, we in the game. We in the game, y'all. We gotta tighten up a couple bolts. And she good to go. I'm gonna put everything back on, put the hood on. Yeah. But for now, I'm so happy that she is running on her own, her own momentum. Drives very well. Took it up to 45 just around here on the street. Gotta stay on the speed limit, especially while I know I don't have everything on with no hood. But yeah, we good. All right. Just got done pressure washing it a little bit. Just trying to clean it off a little bit. It's really dirty. You could probably see a difference if you've been watching since part 1. Just want to let it dry a little bit. Then fire up, take her around the corner to the stove. With no hood, that's right. Because I'm gangster like that. Vegas is notorious for having random stuff flying all over the place. I had got the biggest hole in one of my tires from something on the freeway out here. I ain't never had issues with debris in the road until I came out here. But enough of my rant. Vegas is BS with the crap flying into your vehicles and under your vehicles and whatnot. But yeah, looks good. Got that area. We good. All right. About to put the hood on. I got my lovely assistant right here. She gonna help me with installing what she called the bonnet. So we're gonna install the bonnet. Back on this Johnny. Oh boy.
DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase your tracks today.